See, in this section we will be seeing how to find the square root. Previously we have seen how to find the squares using different multiplication methods. I hope you won't get yourself confused with all this, right? Everything at a time. Okay, good. Now take this number, whether it is a perfect square or not, you just check once. How will you check? The number is ending with a unit digit. Either it is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Now this number ends with what? 1. Okay. You just split the number as the last 2 digits. You just split it, group it. Okay. Now, as the last digit is 1, what could be the unit digit of the square? Remember the relation we discussed previously. What are all the numbers will give you unit digit as 1? Remember? Just say 1 square, 2 square, like you say, which are 1 and 9. So, surely we can guess that the last digit of a square root is 1 or 9. Okay. That's it with the last 2 digits. Now, the remaining, clearly understand, last 2 we analyzed, using that we guessed the last number. Now, the remaining number, whatever the number it is, using the remaining number is what? 50. Okay. The 50, you guess any number, any perfect square which is less than 50. A perfect square number which is less than 50. See, the memorizing of first 25 squares would be helpful for this. 7 square. Okay. So, the first number is 7. Now, we have 2 options. Whether the square root is 71 or 79. How will you find whether it is 71 or 79? You just square this number by previously done, which gives you 5041. We fix on that. But there is a very simple method other than this. So, to find whether it is 71 or 79, we compare this number with the 5 in between the number. 71 and 79 has which 5 in between? $75. What is 75 square? Easy to calculate. Seven eights are? Yes, man. 5, 6, 2, 5. Now compare this 2 number, whether it is, the number is greater than this number or less than this number. So, is that 71 or 79? That is it. Which number is below 75? 71. So, square root of 5041, it is 71. That's how it works. See, for explaining that took me this much time. But when you are calculating, it won't take this much time. If you practice well and you keep this in your mind, means it will not take this much time. Okay. Previous session, what I said to find square root. I told you 2 methods. One is by prime factorization, another one is by long division. Compared to those 2 methods, will this take less time or more time? Less time than that. Okay. Suppose if this also failed, means you should be aware of the long division method. That is why I told you everything. Okay. You can't find the answer in between this. Suppose decimals and all coming, then you should go for the long division method. Okay. Next, square root of 1521. First thing is separate the last two digits. It's 21 ending with 1. So the last digit of our square root is two options. What are two options? 1 or 9. Then the first two digit you just analyze, not first two, except the last two, they analyze remaining digits. So 1, 5. A perfect square which is less than 15. Okay. A perfect square which is less than 15. You think of a number. Less than 15. Same, and 1 square, 2 square, and so on. Three. Okay. So our answer is 31 or 39. How will you find whether it is 31 or 39? By comparing the given number with what 5? Which multiple of 5 lies between these two numbers? 35 square. What is 35 square? Come on. 1, 2, 2, 5. In this session itself, I asked you 3 times. Okay, now compare these two numbers. Whether the given number is greater than this, exceeds this, or below this. Greater. So greater means which we will choose? Greater means which number we should choose? It is 39. Okay, clear? Any doubts in this? Okay. Okay, it will get all right. Don't worry. Now I'll give you one question. You just try to figure it out. Square root of 9801. Square root of 8281 7921. Try to figure out square roots of this number. Easy. Eight two eight one. Done? Okay, what is the answer for the first one? Yes, 99 is the right answer. And then 89, man. See, man. 7921. Okay. 81. 89. Then for this 8281. 91. Perfect. Okay. So you know how this works. It won't take much time for you. See, this is not for sake of this session. Whenever these type of calculations occurs while you are working out, these ideas should strike your mind. Okay. You should learn this in that manner. Clear? Also, you should be habituated to use this. Then only you will save time in future in whatever examination you are writing. You are multiplying everything, doing this, that and all. You won't find enough time to complete the examination. But when you habituate this, make this as your habits. Whenever this occurs, these are all the times to practice all this. You don't find any other time than this. At that point of time, you may busy learning. For example, if you are studying for IIT means, at that point of time, you may busy doing this all the subject things. These shortcuts you can't focus. So if you habituate these shortcuts as your habits, then at that point of time it will help you. Okay. Good. Now, few more examples, but not ending with one. You see 9604. Can you say what could be the unit digit of this square root? Don't flip the pages of your notebook. Flip your mind and think. 2 and 4. Simply say, man, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, which are all ending with 4. Two or 8. Okay, now a perfect square below 96. What takes you this much time? Nine. Okay, so whether it is 92 or 98. So the 95 square will compare. 90 square is 9025. Obviously this exceeds, so our answer is 98. Okay. 7744. I'll give you a few more questions, so just work out, then we'll move on to the cubes. Find out square roots of this number. Make it fast. Done. You also work out this one and answer for the same in the comments. Okay. Have you done? Yeah, okay, do it fast. You also do it fast and let me know the answers in the comments. Okay. Bye bye.